All right, we got Mason here teaching. What do you got to teach?
We're going to talk about AXXA, and it's a solid multi-day breakout. So I'm just going over it here with the group, and try to get a position later on because as of right now, I have no position.
More importantly, what do you think about MYOS and their yoked product? Are you going to use it? Because you are their target demo.
I'm seriously considering it.
You're going to add more muscle. Your shirt isn't tight enough. Like, if you use yoke, your shirt would be breaking.
Yeah. Honestly, I might have to go a size smaller.
Yeah, dude. What the fuck? You're going to be like the White Rock. You got to change it up.
Shoulder definition.
Not enough. Not enough. It's just terrible. All right, what are we looking at?
So we're looking, well, I was looking at AXXA.
Yeah.
Forget MYOS. It's done.
AXS, what do you?
I made $2,000 on it.
Well, as of right now, what I would like to happen is I want that, if you're looking at level 2, so I'm using E-Trade Pro for level 2. I prefer E-Trade Pro as level 2. I think they're the best, but I think Stocks and Trades is the best for like scans and stuff, especially for these lower price plays, absolutely. So I would really like that buyer at 0.018 to get taken out. Don't know if he will. I think there's a good shot considering how big of a move this was this morning. So I'm going to take you over to that Stocks and Trade real quick and show you why I didn't buy that high at daybreak in the morning. So do you see a few days ago over here? That is a straight up spike. And that actually was a multi-day breakout. So you'll see these 2 days right here. This first green day, and that red day, and then that. So that was a breakout. But the reason it failed is because it was a breakout into a straight up spike. And the reason I'm reluctant to take a position yet is because this stock, so something I'm really big on is stocks have personalities. And this stock has showed me that it breaks out into big spikes, but then fails and gets crushed. And so I'm just going off of recent history. And so I don't know about you guys, but that move right there looks awfully similar to that right there. Yeah. And we have a whole trading day ahead of us.
What time is this right now when we're filming?
It is 10:42 in the morning. So at the end of the day, this is the end of the morning spike, which we were talking about just a moment ago. Yeah. You have this gap up from that overnight news, a big push, and then consolidation for a little bit, breakout to new highs. Maybe it has one more little push, but I doubt it for now. We'll see. I want it to just sit here and consolidate all day. If that buyer at 0.018 gets taken out, it'll have a decent little pullback, and I'll probably buy into that.
What percent is it up right now today?
58%.
So you're thinking that's near best case scenario for the day, and then we want to see if it can hold it.
Yes, for right now. But based on this stock's history, if it holds up all day, it could close up 60, 70, 80, 90% maybe. I don't know. I'll just be patient.
And you prefer overnight holds?
Yes.
To sell into the gap up tomorrow?
This is a big picture setup. A breakout, like, you can sit there and day trade breakouts, but that's just not what I'm interested in. I want to, oh look, there he goes. So here comes the dip.
Is it fading?
Here comes the dip.
Good.
So I'm going to
So you buy into that, look at that, too.
You're going to buy into the dip?
Yeah, we'll see how far it comes down. I want to see how, where support comes in.
Yeah, who knows how far it can dip. Fuck VWAP. Is that the VWAP line? Is that a fucking VWAP line?
It is VWAP.
Is that a fucking VWAP line?
I don't know why you hate on it so much. But I don't use VWAP as a decision maker, or very rarely do I use it as a decision maker. It's just good to have it on a chart because it helps you understand what I learned from Tim Grittani is that what VWAP is it basically shows you who's in control, the buyers or the sellers. And so if it's above VWAP, generally speaking, most buyers are profitable on their positions. If it's below VWAP, that means people are underwater. So that makes it difficult for it to come back.
Because you got bag holders selling into every spike.
Exactly.
Cool. And quick review of who you are, what you've done, what you've accomplished, what you've lost, what you've learned.
I'm Mason Fecht. I'm a Millionaire Challenge student for Tim Sykes. Right here.
Cheers.
Sorry, just give me 1 second.
Do your thing. Do your thing.
Considering an entry, so.
Remember what time of day it is. Midday. Do you really want to do this? It's going to hurt your afternoon workout potential.
So I already got the workout in for now.
Did you wake up at 5 a.m.? Are you like Tim Bowen?
I got up at 6. So I told you I come here for DDC and we did my assessment this morning. I go back later today for a little workout. I'll be patient.
And so do you take a small position or do you take a larger position in something like this?
Well, I like to take a large position, but if I pop up on the bid, I'm not getting the fill. So unfortunately, that's the one thing I don't like about E-Trade is that I can't hide my size, but I have to weigh the pros and cons. If I went over to IB, for instance, I could hide my size, but then the commissions, would be ridiculous.
Right.
I don't like, for instance, that Pura trade I had, where I bought 400,000 shares. I don't know if you guys saw that, but I made like 20K on it. I only paid $15 in commissions. People are like, "Oh, you don't talk about your commission." I'm like, well, shit, 'cause I paid $15. Like,
And at IB, how much would commissions be? Like 600 to 800.
Yeah, something like
Yeah,
that.
trust me, I know. I was blocked from E-Trade due to my travel for a while. I was using E-Trade or IB for all these bullshit stocks. So you're looking at dip buying this. Did you put in your order yet?
I haven't put anything in yet. I'm watching level 2. Just want to see what it tells me.
Yeah, for me, I don't like dip buying midday. I don't know how low it can go. This could just be a morning fake out.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna have to just hope I get filled. I don't like to use that word,
Don't use that word. Don't hold and hope. Don't buy and hope. Don't fucking
but
hope.
still yet to put in an order, but basically I got some confirmation there. At 0.0167, I saw a million share buyer flash for just a moment.
At the VWAP?
Yeah, right below VWAP. So
Below VWAP. Not at VWAP.
it's not exact science here.
It's more of a guidelines, really. Look at that concentration. Explain who you are real quick.
Mason Fecht, Tim Sykes Millionaire Challenge student.
Who said that? Next.
Well, I've found some success in the market. Been doing this a little bit over a year. I made about $150,000. I got crushed last week, so I'll do a video or something.
Yes! Explain your losses.
Oh, yeah.
Because before you came here, you DM me and you're like, I didn't listen to you. I got crushed.
Yeah.
Did you use leverage?
No.
Did you not cut losses quickly?
No.
So you went to work out instead of trading?
It was psychology. I actually can't wait to talk about it.
Ah!
I was up 5 figures on a trade, and I had what's called inconsistency avoidance tendency. It's cognitive bias. Like, I didn't want to give up the fact that it was a double top. I was trying to give it one more chance to break to a new high day. It didn't. It got crushed.
What about going for singles, not home runs? Did I not echo in the back of your mind?
We'll talk about
Are you just listening to David Goggins? You need pain to learn. Is that it? You know David Goggins?
I do know David Goggins, yeah.
You learn from pain, so you lose big and you get better over time.
Trying to focus here.
No.
Good luck with
No.
I have this
This
guy.
is midday. Shouldn't be fucking trading midday.
Well,
And learn to take singles, not home runs.
Well, I agree. I generally don't like to trade midday, but on OTCs, I do love taking entries on big midday dips.
All right, I respect that. This is your pattern. That's cool.
This is my comfort zone for sure. So I want to see if anybody sells into 0.017 here. I want to see if that buyer is still there. I think he most likely is.
We'll come back to this. Sorry, David Goggins. You don't need pain to learn. Sometimes you learn from your wins. Take singles. Don't go for home runs. Learn from his success. Learn from his failures.
Amen.
Melania, chapter 2 of this video. We'll learn from you too. Zoom in on her face. Zoom in on her face. To be continued. Hey, Tim Sykes, Millionaire Mentor and Trader. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope that they help you. I want to share everything that I've learned over the years. You can check out more videos right over there. And also click subscribe so that you can watch all of these videos, get that knowledge, and become my next millionaire student.